Hello everyone, this is Benjamin here. Today we are talking about how to become a content writer and earn money from writing. I'm excited because this is really a very important topic, and I believe that this will transform your life if you watch this video till the end. Don't forget to kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Click also on the notification bell so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you will be notified instantly. There is a lot that we can learn and explore together. In this particular video, we are looking at how to become a content writer. Let's begin with the highlights. We shall be looking at the introduction. What is content writing? What does it take to become a content writer? How do content writers get paid or earn money? How to get started as a content writer? How to improve your performance? How to maximize opportunities? And then we shall recap. Let's get started with the introduction. Do you have a flair for writing? Have you ever imagined that you could become an exceptional content writer and start making money from writing? Then today's video will give you a step-by-step explanation on how to make a career in content writing and begin to make money online as a freelancer. What is content writing? Content writing is simply the act of expressing your ideas in writing, which can be done in various forms, produced in various formats, and presented on various platforms. We shall be looking at all this in greater detail. What does it take to become a content writer? Now, what it takes to become a content writer is the writing skill. You simply acquire the writing skill. As simple as that. You need to know how to write in good English, if English is your medium of communication. If you want to make a career as a content writer, make sure that you can write well in English. Make sure you can write good articles, good blog posts, and so on and so forth. That's basically what it takes to become a content writer. Of course, I have to add here that if you have ideas that you can share with other people, that equally is what it takes to become a content writer. So that's what it takes to become a content writer. Let's proceed. How do content writers get paid or earn money from writing? You earn money for writing articles that get published on various online platforms. There are many platforms that can pay you according to various criteria. For example, according to the number of views, number of people that view your articles, according to the number of words your article contains, and so on and so forth. But the bottom line is that you get paid for submitting articles to such platforms. When they accept the article, when it meets their standard and they publish it, they pay you. You also earn money from ebooks published on various online platforms that take a percentage of the sales and give you the rest of as your royalties. Example is Amazon.com. Another example is Lulu.com. Then you have payhip.com. Now these platforms will pay you if you publish your ebooks on their platform, and they will give you the software. I publish my ebooks on these 3 platforms, and I can tell you it's very easy to use their software to get your content published as ebooks. You earn money from affiliate programs as well. You can also earn money from online courses. Now, when we talk of affiliate programs, You can help to promote other people's products, and then you earn a commission. You can earn money from online courses. For instance, this particular lecture you are watching, I can present it on some online platforms like Udemy, and of course I earn money when people buy the course. So that is an additional way to earn money as a content writer. You can also earn money from editing and proofreading other people's written works on various online platforms that pay you for your services. I mean, what you earn as a content writer will depend on the platforms you work for, the niche you choose, and the volume of works that you are capable of performing. So now let's look at how to get started as a content writer. You can start with writing articles and submitting them to various platforms. You can choose the formats and the platforms you want to showcase, where you want to showcase your writing skills. Create good content and package them, and of course that you can get started from there. That's really a way to get started. Create good content, and just package them and present them where your prospective clients or customers can view them. Take note that the content you've already written and presented will show your prospective customers the type of expertise you are capable of providing. So when you package your content up, then you need to do it very well. I have uploaded a video entitled 8 Laws of Content Creation, and I've also uploaded a video entitled 7 Pillars of Good Writing. I mean, you can look for these videos and watch them. Then these videos will guide you on the kind of content that will make you earn money easily. So look for the videos and they will be of help to you. You need to make sure you write good content. Don't go into complicated writings that you cannot handle, but use simple and straightforward language to express your ideas in a very clear manner. You will need to examine other articles or content by professionals on a given topic, but you must avoid plagiarizing other people's works, as it is illegal to do so. It's lawful for you to analyze other people's works as a way of getting ideas for your own works, but you have to avoid mindless lifting or copying other people's works and presenting them as your own. You must avoid that. Now, how to improve your performance? Networking with other content writers is necessary. This will help you to learn from experts or experienced colleagues, to share ideas with them, and sometimes to get some jobs from those who have more than they can handle and would want other content writers to assist. That's really very. So you need to take steps to improve your performance, because the more you improve, the more you earn. To network with other content writers, you search for established content writers via social media, Google search, and so on. As you get to know them through their bio, you can get in touch with them via social media channels, and email, phone, or WhatsApp, and then you get in touch with them. That's really very important. First, add them as your Facebook friends, follow them on Instagram, Twitter, and so on. Chat them up and ask for help, mentorship, collaboration, etc. You don't have to feel shy. Collaborate, partner with others, network with them. Some of them might gladly offer help. However, you must be careful not to present yourself in a very vulnerable condition when approaching someone on social media. What I mean is that it is improper to just approach somebody and say you need help. You can just indicate your interest in the kind of quality you have seen the person present, and then you can let the person know that you admire what he or she is doing and would like to partner with them and share ideas with them. Of course, people will be happier partnering with you in that way than when you present yourself like a parasite. You just need help from them, So it is important that you present yourself very politely when approaching other people on social media. The best approach is to say something interesting to you that you have seen in their profile, in their posts, in their articles, in their works, etc. Praise their works and follow them for the qualities you have seen in their works. Build friendship, and then along the line you can begin to ask for partnership in one way or the other. In other words, make sure that you network in the right manner by being decent and polite in order to win network partners, because your network is your net worth. This is really very important. How to maximize your opportunities? You need to use social media channels, like Facebook, Instagram. If you begin, of course, if you create content, you can upload them on these social media channels, and from there you win a lot of followers. When eventually you create a blog, or you create a YouTube channel, or other you create ebooks on various ebook publishing platforms, then of course you can use your social media channels to promote and market your products to your followers, and draw their attention and show them where they can get these products. So then the other one is that you can use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Amazon, and so on. Of course, on those platforms you can create your gigs, you can create your ebooks, and so on. You can use ebook publishing platforms such as payhip.com, lulu.com, amazon.com. Of course, you have other platforms, where you can maximize your opportunities. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below to subscribe. I want you to know that by subscribing, you lose nothing. You are encouraging me to create other helpful videos like this one. Like and share the video with your friends and relations, and then click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. This is where we draw the curtain. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any comments that will be helpful to me in improving the quality of our lectures, or if you have any comments of commendation for benefits gained from the lecture, don't hesitate to leave your comments below. Bye for now, and remain blessed. Thank you, and bye for now.